Alright, so this is the new normal. I went to a grocery store. I went to a grocery store to go get some items. Um, can you believe I forgot where I packed? That's ridiculous. I can't remember where I packed. That's how tired I am. So I'm gonna be doing DIY battery change on my smart lock. So yeah, DIY battery change on my smart door lock. So yeah. Oh my god. So I need a screwdriver to unscrew the bolts, but I don't have any. So I'm gonna be using kitchen knife to do that. Yeah, if you all know, you don't actually need a screwdriver. Okay, if you have a kitchen knife, you should be able to unscrew any bolts. So okay, so this is the lock that I'm gonna be changing. It says what? Kwikset. Yeah, that's the brand. It's been giving me beep that is about the battery is about to die, and then yeah, I have ADT, so I thought, oh, maybe I should be calling ADT people to come swap the battery, but I'm not sure if they're supposed to be the one changing your batteries for you. So I'm gonna try and see if I can actually switch it. Okay. Alrighty. So this is the kwikset smart lock. So you see, usually that light is supposed to be blinking like green, but it looks like it's giving me a yellow, which is a warning sign before the battery like goes out. So I need to change it before I get locked out from my own house. So and then it looks like I have to unscrew this bolt and then another one here. So what I'm gonna do now is, I don't have a screwdriver, like I said earlier on. You do not actually need one. So I'm going to use my kitchen knife. Yes. So there we go. See? A little bit, I have to. Come on. Yay. That looks great. Okay. We will grab that. Swap to my left hand, and then I already unscrewed this one a little bit, so it looks weak. There we go. Oops. All right, so now that I have unscrewed those screws, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. And I think they open it. Oops. Ooh. Okay. Yes. So that's it. I have that open up, and this is the cover. There. We're just gonna put that down, and then batteries. It looks like on, off, and sound. We're not gonna mess with that. You know, technician, we don't know what we're really doing. We're just trying to change a battery. So, ooh, this one is shaking. Shaking, so probably, ooh, here we go. Okay, so this is the type of battery that it uses. It's 1.5 AA. So I just need to swap these batteries and then put it back there. So let's see what we can do. So I'm gonna be using the Duracell 1.5 AA batteries. So I'm gonna swap it with what I had in there earlier. And then you need to dispose of the battery very well. You don't want to cause any explosion, okay? Always make sure you dispose your batteries the right way. Okay, so it looks nice. Let's see. So I swap it. I have everything in there tight. Now let's put it back on. I guess that green, that bright green, actually means it worked. So yes, let's cover it back up and see. That doesn't look raw. Oh, hold on, let's see. I think I should go from bottom. Oops, no. Ooh, that was nice. So now, before I screw it back, before I screw the bolt back on, I'm gonna try my code and see if it works. If it doesn't, then maybe I'll kind of switch the batteries and see. Maybe I did not do it right. So let's make sure it works before we screw back the bolts in. I'm gonna have you enjoy my view whilst I try my code, okay? Okay, so the lock worked, so I am going to unlock it. Great. It looks like everything is intact and it's ready for me to screw back up. So let's do that. I did lock the door manually. I did lock the door just so it will be stable for me to screw back the bolts on. I'm gonna start with, I'm gonna screw this side back up. So what I'm gonna try and do is I'm gonna try and put the screw or the bolts back in. See, it's tight by just using my hand, but that's not safe. So we will use the kitchen knife to kind of tighten the bolt. So let's use our natural screwdriver, okay? That's my finger. Okay, now I'm gonna make it tighter. Let's see. Oh, I only needed to do about two. Oh, see how tight that is. Great. Let's try that side too. Oh, I don't think I'm going the right direction. Let's see. I'm gonna change it and use my left hand, since the side is the left side, so my right is not working properly. Let's see. That looks like I am opening it back up, so I have to go the other direction. Let's do one or two more. Good. One more. Good. So it's very tight. Who said ladies can do DIYs like fix stuff like that? You can do that. You can change your door lock. You can change your batteries on your smart lock. You can paint. You can do everything that you want to do as long as you learn how to do it. It doesn't matter about gender. Okay? Thank you so much for watching me. Like this video, share, subscribe, and then leave a comment on what DIY you have recently done yourself. Bye. See you next time.